Sir, now I will go for another example. Okay, have a look once. Write a program to read the employee data from the keyboard. Employee data from the keyboard and print that data. Okay, maybe employee having, so which data? Employee number, employee name, employee salary, employee address, next whether employee married or not, are getting married or not, like this is the data what we have. I want to read this data from the keyboard and print that data to the end user for confirmation purpose. This is about my job, sir. How you can do that? Very, very simple. Here first read the employee number. Employee number is what type? Int type. Assume that in my programming requirement int type 87, 24, 25 or 421 or 356 is the employee number, like. So here enum is equal to int type, right? Compulsory we have to use int of input of enter employee number. Enter employee number. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. Now anyway, reading and converting to int type. Okay, well. Second one, sir, ename. Sir, ename, employee name is what type? str type. No typecasting function, because input function is always going to return what? str only. That's why typecasting is not required. Directly input enter employee name, like this I'm taking, sir. Enter employee name, that's all. Okay, sir. Now enum, okay, clear. What is the next one? Employee salary. Salary, most of the times it is the float type, floating point value. That's why esal is equal to float of typecasting function, float of input of enter employee salary. Enter employee salary, like this I'm taking, sir. So ename esal. Next address, right? Sir, have you remembered address is always a string type, maybe Hyderabad or Bangalore or Chennai, like a string type. Now what I'm trying to take, input of enter employee address, maybe city. Here I want to consider only city, like this, right? Now have a look once. If it is employee number int type, compulsory we require to use typecasting function. But employee name is a string type, no typecasting. But employee salary, again float type, typecasting is required. Employee address is some typecasting is not required because it is a string type. Now is employee married or not? Is employee married or not? True or false? Okay, take a bit very special care. True or false? Okay, now I'm taking here for this bool of, are you getting? Bool of input of here see employee married, okay, like. Sir, just I'm asking, can you please enter either true or false? Can you please enter either true or false? Okay, whatever end user provided data will be typecasted to Boolean type. Okay, don't worry, sir. Now 5 parameters we are reading from the end user, whether married or not, address, salary, ename, and then number, right? Now let me print this information for the confirmation sake. Okay, print confirm, sir, data, confirm your provided data, like sir, I want to print employee number, print employee name. Okay, employee name, esal, next address, next married or not. Are you getting? Married or not, like I'm trying to print, sir. Of course print statements are there. This is my small program. So read employee data and print that data, okay, back to the end user for confirmation sake. Okay, here just a simple example, happily you can understand very easily, sir. Let me execute, but here one small loophole is there, that part we will take care. First try to understand clearly, right? Have a look once. Now I want to write a small, sir, same code, right? So first one, employee number is equal to input enter employee number, like I'm taking, sir. Okay, sir, here just observe that a bit carefully. Employee number is the int type, that's why typecasting must be required. Sir, second one, employee name, okay, enter employee name, okay, like. Next, sir, shall compulsory typecasting must be required, okay, float off like this, enter employee salary, enter employee salary. Next, address, right? Address, enter employee address, enter employee address like this, because it is a string type only, typecasting is not required. Next, married or not, are you getting married or not? Sir, bool off, bool enter is employee married, is employee married, is employee married, like. Here what data you have to enter, sir? Either true or false we have to enter. Take very special care about this one, sir. Either true or false we have to take. Now print off, okay, print off. Sir, up to this what we did? Reading employee data from the keyboard. If anywhere typecastings are required, then we are performing typecasting. Sir, employee number int type, typecasting we did. Employee salary float type, typecasting, sir. Sir, employee marriage status, okay, true or false, boolean type. Next, name and address string type only, typecasting is not required, clear, right? Sir, now print off, here print off, just I'm taking, sir, please confirm information, okay, please confirm your provided information, like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, first print off employee number, print off employee number like enum. Next, employee name, sir, name I'm taking. Next, employee salary, sal, because salary is available inside this one. Sir, enter employee address, employee address, address like this. Next, last one, sir, okay, employee married, like this I'm taking, sir. Employee married, like yes, here just married, like this I'm trying to take. That's a simple example, right? Now let me execute this code, sir. Have a look once. Sir, enter employee number, okay, 872425. My IBM employee number, sir, this is. Sir, now enter employee name, okay, Durga. Enter employee salary, some 70,000, okay, like. Enter employee address, Hyderabad, like I'm trying to take. Sir, next, is employee married or not? Yes, man, married, true, okay, I got married already, true, that's why like this, right? Can you please observe? Please confirm your provided information. Employee number, okay, employee name, employee salary, employee address, employee married, true, like this. Perfectly, it's working properly, not required to keep any doubt. Is it clear for all of you? The same application, a bit large scale, okay, to handle multiple types of data, how you can do that, okay, clear. Now I have one small doubt is here. What is the important doubt? What is the important point here is very simple, sir. Take special care. Suppose assume I didn't get married. Assume, of course, real I got married, man, blessed with 2 kids also, okay. Assume that my marriage status is false, okay, I didn't got married. If I provide like that, what will happen? Assume, have a look once. Assume that, have a look once. Now the same example with a small type, because here at this line some magic is there, sir. That thing I have to explain. Of course, we explained already, but we forgot this one, okay. There is a small problem is there here. What is the problem is, observe. Enter employee number 872425, okay, like. Enter employee name Durga. Enter employee salary 70,000, okay, like. Enter employee address Hyderabad, okay, like. Sir, is employee married? Is employee married? No man, I didn't got married. False. Like this I provided, right? So which value I provided for is employee married? False. It is available in string form. Converting this string to the boolean type, then obviously false. Like now observe carefully. Observe carefully, sir. Here I provided. Here I provided. Is employee married? What is the answer I provided, sir? False is the answer. But what is the output it is showing? Employee married. True is the answer. Array, I provided false. But how you are getting true? True is the answer. This is the how this mission aware already I married. I am providing wrong information. Is this program having any intelligence? No, no. A simple logical mistake we are doing, sir. That logical mistake you people should aware. What is that mistake is? Listen carefully. Here to convert employee marriage status to boolean type, which function we are using? Bool function. Are you getting which function we are using? Bool function, right? The bool function behavior is very, very simple, sir. If you provide str type to bool conversion, I have to do that. So what is the behavior of this bool function is, if this str is a empty string, if this str is empty string, okay, then only it is returned as false. Okay, then only it is considered the false. If it is not empty, then it's always going to consider as true, sir. Remember this one. Then if it is empty, then only consider the false. Sir, if it is not empty, then it is considered the true. So is employee married? What thing you provided, right? False is the thing. This is the string. Is this string is empty or non-empty? Non-empty. Non-empty. That's why it is considered the true only. Remember, are you identify the problem, right? So if you are not, if it is the empty, then only it is considered the false. Sir, here enter employee married or not. I am not providing anything. If you didn't provide anything, then it is considered the empty string. Then it will be treated as the false. Have a look once. Observe carefully, right? Here I want to execute the same code again. Enter employee number 872425. Okay, employee name Durga. Employee salary some 70,000, something like. Enter employee address HYD. Okay, now observe, is employee married? If you enter anything here, it is non-empty, internally treated as the true only. Sir, I didn't enter anything, just enter button. If I click just enter button, empty string, then it is considered the false. Just observe carefully, sir. I just enter, that's all. I didn't provide any information here. Are you seeing? Either true or false I didn't provide. Now which answer we are getting, sir? False. Okay, so to read boolean data, we require to take a bit very, very special care. Array, not providing anything, then only false. If you provide anything, it is the true. No, it is not our logical requirement. If you provide false, should be treated as the false. If end user provided true, it is treated as the true only. How you can do that is, yes, there is one beautiful function is there in the Python. We require to go for, okay, instead of bool, we require to use evolve function. Are you getting what is this function, sir? Evolve function we require to use. Beautiful, sir. Next level we are going to discuss. But anyway, let me use this evolve function in our example. Observe carefully. Here, instead of bool function, evolve I am using. So, solution for this problem, usage of evolve function, right? Okay. Now observe, enter employee number 872425. Okay, enter employee name Durga, enter employee salary some 70,000. Okay, enter employee address HYD. Sir, here is employee married? False, sir. I'm explicitly typing false. It is treated as the false only. Now observe this one. So here false I provided, here it is treated as the false only. Okay, suppose if I provide enter employee number 1, enter employee name B, enter employee salary some 20. Okay, enter employee address HYD. sir, now married or not, true I'm providing, sir. Now it is considered the true because you provided true, sir. Okay, earlier you provided, okay, false. Here have you observed, right? If you provided false, now also it's going to come false only. If you provided false, it's going to come. If you provided true, then obviously it is. Are you getting right? So reading Boolean data from the keyboard, you people should require to take a bit special care. If you want to convert string to Boolean type, don't use bool function. Compulsory we require to use what? Eval function. Okay, anyway, in detail, what is the purpose of eval function? We will discuss in detail. Don't worry, sir. Clear for all of you, right?